Take a banana, this one happens to be frozen, put it in the blender. Get out 3 eggs and break those into the blender. Turn it on and make sure they get all blended up together. Some coconut oil in a pan on low heat so it doesn't get all bubbly or anything, just melted. And then pour in your mixture and wait. It should be nice and frothy. And you want to unstick all the edges with your pancake turner and flip it over. Takes a little bit of practice to get this just right, and some patience. And there you go with your banana pancakes. Enjoy!